Bobrisky don't pay you. As you can see, Bobrisky have transferred 4 million naira to the guy. He has transferred the 4 million naira to the guy. What is annoying? Before he transferred the money, oh boy, see me score. Bobrisky, call, see me score. He say, send your account number and get your refund. Miss call. The guy no answer. He say, please send me your account number. Let me pay your money. The guy no answer. I call. He say, I'm still here asking for your account number. You want your money back? The guy no answer. Then the guy come tell and say, firstly, I need a written apology statement for blackmailing and to cover all expenses incurred towards your behavior. Now Bobrisky say, I will send everything. I will send 5 million. He says, send account number. The guy no answer. I can't go back to the chat. Can't carry the account number. Can't send 4 million naira.
My country people, if all these things wey Verydarkman they talk since day before yesterday not true, this country, I don't know where it's headed to. Seriously. Or does it mean that the law favors only the rich people and not the poor masses? God. Make a play, make una listen to it in Verydarkman talk. Cause this boy, I be this man.
If for good make more names, just the common side. Because I can never understand what is going on in this country. So Bobrisky was sentenced by the court to be remanded for spraying money. They went to go and give him an apartment. According to his call, they gave him an apartment. That's number one. Number two, EFCC, according to his call, collected 15 million naira to drop money laundry charge. That is crazy, bro. So you can pay EFCC to drop charge? I didn't know. Yeah, I was thinking, okay, these people are fighting for corruption. If you not ever hear me criticize Yahoo boy again, change my name. Me, Ote Martins Vincent, I will never. When the institution have failed, my only advice to Yahoo boy is say, "Mona live on our black people. Knock anybody on our own knock."
I wonder what thing they give this Verydarkman boss. Like, man, too good, I beg. Kudos to him.